Díomh, Conasatoshiv. Today we're looking at page 140 in our Busy at Maths, and we're looking over capacity, how much things hold, how much will fit into something. And today we're looking at the litre. When we looked at length, we looked at the metre. When we looked at weight, we looked at the kilo. But today we're looking at the litre. So for length and height and width, it's the metre. For weight, we did the kilo, the kilogram. And you can write those as M, like 1 metre is 1 M, or 1 kilogram is 1 kg. Today we're looking at the litre, and you'd often see it written as just L. And if you looked around your kitchen, if you went to the fridge especially, you'd find a lot of things with a litre written on them. It might be 1 litre, it could be 2 or 3 litres if it's milk, because a litre is just showing how much something holds. And they come in lots of different shapes, but a litre is always a litre. The same way a metre is always a metre, and a kilo is always a kilo. A litre is always a litre. It doesn't matter what shape it is. Even if they look different sizes, these all still hold a litre. We've got a litre of something in the jug, could be water. We've got a litre of milk. We've got a litre of ice cream, a litre of paint, a litre of soup, a litre of water, and we've got a flask with a litre of something in it, maybe tea or coffee. So litres come in many different shapes because liquids can change. The liquids fill up whatever shape they're poured into. So litres come in many different shapes. So we've got a job to do here. Can you list some other items, some other things that can be bought in 1 litre containers? So this is where you're going to go to your kitchen and have a look and see what you can come up with. Because if you can, it could be the ones that are here as well if you can't find any others. But I'm going to give you a few ideas. You could have juice. So it could be orange juice or apple juice. That often comes in litres. It could be something like Coke. It could be something like 7-Up. Or you might have a smoothie in your fridge. That could come in a litre bottle as well. So I want you to go to your kitchen and have a look and see what can you find that's a litre. Or it might be 2 litres or 3 litres. What can you find that comes in some kind of litre container? Okay? And you can write yours down here. Then the next thing. It says using a full litre bottle of water. But if you don't have a litre bottle of water, you could use a jug, because a jug will have 1 litre measured on it or marked on it. If you used a full litre, how many of the following can you fill? So imagine you've got your litre bottle of water or your litre of water in a jug, and you're going to measure it into a glass. A litre is definitely way more than fits in a glass. So you're going to see how many glasses could you fill from 1 litre. And then you're going to put your estimate, your good guess or your maths guess into here. So you know it's not going to be 1,000,000. You know it's not going to be 1. So you might put your estimate here and see. So you could put, I think maybe 4. I think I could fill 4 of the same size glasses with the litre. And then I might measure it and find out, oh no, I was wrong. My glasses were smaller than I thought, and I fitted 5. But it doesn't matter, it's not wrong, okay? It's to get you used to estimating. It's a very important skill in maths. And then you're going to do the same with the bowl. How many bowls could you fill with the litre bottle or the litre jug? You're estimating first and then measuring. And then a yogurt carton. You're going to do your estimate first. How many times could you fill a yogurt carton from your litre? And then you're going to do your measure. So this part is the one where you're going to need a litre bottle or a litre jug. And then number 3, you don't need anything for this. You're not going filling a swimming pool or a bath, don't worry. This time, you're going to estimate, your good guess, how much each container holds and write it in the correct place. Will it be less than a litre, about a litre, or more than a litre? So let's have a look at the pictures and see what we have. We've got a pool. Will the pool have less than a litre of water, about a litre of water, or more than a litre of water? Well, a pool is very big, so it's definitely going to have more than a litre of water. Let's look at the next one, milk, and they've given us a clue on the side, 1L, 1 litre. So we know that the milk is about a litre. Then the third one we have is a cup. So if you're filling up a cup from a litre of milk, I think you'd be able to fill a few of them. So that means it's less than a litre. An egg cup, less than a litre, about a litre, or more than a litre? Definitely less than a litre. You'd fill up a lot of egg cups from a litre of liquid. A bucket, less than a litre, about a litre, or more than a litre? Well, I think you'd fit a few cartons of juice into a bucket, or a few litres of milk, so it's more than a litre. And the next one we've juice, and I think it might have really tweeny writing that is way too small for me to read, but I think that's a litre carton of juice. It looks the same as the litre of milk. So we can put in about a litre. Oh, I nearly wrote in juice, or I nearly wrote in litre. Juice. And then we've got a bath. Less than a litre, about a litre, or more than a litre? Definitely more than a litre. You'd fit a lot of litres of water into a bath. A spoon. Less than a litre, or about a litre, or more than a litre? Definitely less than a litre. You'd fit a lot of spoons into a litre. And the last one, the ice cream, and they've given us a clue again. They've got 1L on the side, so that tells us it's a litre, so we'll put it in this one, about a litre. Okay, so the most important thing to remember, and I'll be talking to you on Zoom about this, a litre is always a litre. It doesn't matter what shape it is, it's always going to hold the same amount. It doesn't change. The same as a metre is always a metre, and a kilo is always a kilo. They're standard measures. They're always the same. Okay? Slán go fóill.